folks, welcome. It's me, Nessa, on Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to say hi and welcome to my new watchers and subscribers, as well as hi and welcome to my returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for being here. And I also wanted to say, if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. It's the join button below. And you can also click that. Subscribing is free. You can also click that if you would like to join the membership, and that's explained when you click the button. And hi and welcome to my members. Thank you so much for your continued support. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys, because I know I'm a bit late recording stuff, the two Mary Maxim mystery bags that I ordered in November. So this is what I got. Both of them are the same, so I'm just going to show one. It's a good amount of yarn. And I'll go in what they sent. I also had used the coupon code for the bag. So this was the bag. Forgot, I think it was coat something. They say original price $39.99. Sorry for the crinkling. What happened? So this is what the bag looks like. So it's sort of quilted and padded, which is pretty cool. Has handles. And that's the inside. Oops. Whoops. Oh my gosh. What an annoying handle. That's the inside, and it's black, so you don't see anything. It has two pockets. Two pockets there. And a zipper. Whoop. A zipper here on this other side. So that's pretty cool. And that's it. It doesn't have a closure. But still very nice bag. Flat sort of bottom. So yeah. So in case you were curious about that bag, that you know, if you put in the coupon code for it to show up free, what it looked like, that's what it looks like. So it's dark navy blue with some pretty white flowers with orange and blue center. Orange, blue, and a little bit of gray centers. So yeah, I also went ahead and I had ordered one order of the 2-pound yarn bag, which was supposed to be $14.99. I had a coupon, so I got it a little cheaper. The other ones they've sent before were better. I'm not too thrilled with this one. I got 2 skeins of this, so yeah, I know it's supposed to be unlabeled, but the thing is, it's not soft, and I would not consider this a 4-weight worsted weight yarn. It's more like a DK weight, or like even a thin DK, almost like a 2-weight. I didn't do the wraps per inch, but it looks very thin to me. So yeah, that's what I got. I got two balls of that. So I'll have to figure out what I do with that. Anyways, now on to the fun of the mystery bag. So for the month of November, they had a giveaway. They do that every month of November. Sorry, every year in November. If you buy one of their mystery bags, I'll read it to you. I know it's late now. You have received your November yarn surprise box. That's what they call them. During the month of November, each time you buy a yarn surprise box, your name will be put in a drawing to win one of the following prizes. Grand prize, $200 Mary Maxim gift card and an Afghan kit of their choice. 5 winners receive a $100 Mary Maxim gift card, and 5 winners will receive an Afghan kit of their choice. Winners are drawn at random on December 1st and will be notified by phone or email. We also have added bonus gifts, bonus books, and patterns in many surprise boxes as a special bonus. And then they have a coupon code. For 10% off. So my special bonus for both of those boxes wasn't much. It was just some Lion Brand knitting needles, but that's nice. Better than nothing, I guess. better than nothing. I don't knit anymore, so. These are size 10. Plastic, super smooth. The US 15, 10 millimeter, 14 inches long. Flexible, easy to handle, durable knitting needles. Oh, they're nice. The patterns that got included in this mystery bag, because they also include patterns, was this wavy shoulder bag pattern. It's a knit pattern. Shadow Shells Throw, which is a crochet pattern using Red Heart Super Saver ombre yarn. That's pretty. The Bernat Super Value. This is pink Afghan to knit pattern. These are also available on your inspiration sites. And chevron point pattern, which is crochet with the Red Heart gemstone yarn. So that's nice. That was cool. So I'm gonna do this as a quick video. Be traveling soon, so I wanted to do this before my trip. I got 2 skeins of Touch of Alpaca Thick and Quick, Touch of Luxe yarn. That's pretty. This is a colorway mineral. It's classified as a jumbo number 7 giant yarn weight. It's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 44 yards or 40 meters. They recommend a size 15 millimeter knitting needles or a 15 millimeter Q19 crochet hook. It's 90% acrylic, 10% alpaca. It's very soft. It's hand washed, lay flat to dry. Made in Turkey. So that's the color. That's what I've read to you guys. I don't know if it's discontinued or not. So yeah, 2 skeins of that. This one I had in the other bag, but it's only 1 skein of this or something similar to this. Fluffy Day by Hobby, 100% premium acrylic brushed yarn, and this is color 13, so it's a number. It's 100% acrylic, polyacrylic, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 140 meters, or 153 yards. It's Okotex Standard 100. They recommend 6.5 to 7 millimeter US 10.5 knitting needles or a 6.5 millimeter US K 10.5 crochet hook. Designed in Denmark, made with love in Turkey. It's a 4-weight yarn. I would agree with that. And wash cold. Do not iron. Do not put in a dryer. Don't dry clean. So that's everything I read to you guys in there for Fluffy Day. Then I have 2 skeins. I'm going to show them because they look different. Depends how they're wrapped up. Of Moroccan Nights from Lion Brand. This is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. Net weight is, 100 grams. 273 yards or 250 meters. In the skein, they classify it as a number 3 lightweight yarn. I'd say it's a little thinner than that. I'd say it's like a 2-weight. Maybe almost a 1-weight. Oops. It's very thin. It's pretty. It's 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. They recommend something that's written really small. Yeah, I don't know. I can't read that. And I didn't put on my glasses, so. Anyways. Machine wash, gentle, tumble dry low. You can check their website what they recommend for the hook size. Yeah, machine wash. This colorway is called Princess. They're made in China. That's what I read to you. Maybe you might be able. You see, I could read it better on the screen. Except it's backwards for me. Anyways. So yeah, that's what the yarn looks like. The front. This is the second ball. Looks a little more purpley. I guess it's like purple with turquoise with yellow, marled, maybe some pink in there. Yeah. So I got 2 skeins of this Rika yarn. Basic acrylic DK. It's made in Germany. Rico yarn, sorry. 100 grams or 310 meters, 100% polyacrylic. They recommend a 4 of knitting needles or crochet hooks. Yeah, 310 meters, I said. And Okotex standard 100. Yeah. Brockel, Germany. So that's all the stuff. It's okay. It's nice and soft. Oops, there we go. That's what I read to you guys. There's 2 balls, 2 skeins of this. Then 2 skeins of their Bonbon Classic, the neon green colorway, which is like just a number. And then the rest of the label is in another language, but we're going to say it's 100 grams, around 200 meters. And the Classic is their worsted weight number 4 yarn. Machine washable. I think it's made in Turkey, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, so that's what the yarn label says. Yeah, pretty. It's nice and soft. It's 2 skeins of that. 5 skeins of more Rico yarn, basic soft acrylic. Oh, okay. This one's basic acrylic. This one's soft. Basic soft acrylic DK. This one is softer. It's the navy colorway. It's 50 grams or 155 meters. Also acrylic. All the rest of the specs are the same. Yeah, and yeah, 155 meters per skein of that. Then there's this big ball of Karen 1 pound from Your Inspirations. The colorway is terracotta. It's classified as a number 4 weight yarn. I'd agree with that, and they recommend a 5mm knitting needle US 8 size or 5mm US H8 crochet hook, machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic. It's 16 ounces, so it's 1 pound, which is 453.6 grams, 812 yards or 742 meters in this skein. They have free patterns on their site. I don't know where this is made. Made in USA of imported fibers. Machine washable and dryable. So that's what I read to you guys. It's only one skein of this, but that's a good amount to do with, you know, to be able to make something with. Especially since I got a second one in the bag, in the other bag. You know, I got another one in the second bag, so I have 2. And then I got a 3-pack of this loopy yarn off the hook from Lion Brand. It's okay, it's soft. This one's called Flower Power, the colorway. They classify it as a 7 jumbo, machine washable and dryable. You can knit this by hand. It's 100% polyester. It's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. They do not say the yardage on these. So, I don't know. Maybe 50 or 60 yards, but yeah, I don't know. It just says the 100 grams. Yeah, and it's a cool, funky, like, green with pink and blue and purple colors. So, yeah. So that was everything that I was going to show in this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.